Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how you can edit your Google AdSense payment option, like how to add your payment option, most especially for YouTube, for those that are using their AdSense for YouTube. Without wasting much of your time, let's head straight to the video. But if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly help me and hit that subscribe button there, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. It won't cost your data and it won't take much of your time. So let's head straight to the video. So we'll go straight to our browser here, which is Chrome. I use Chrome to browse. You can use any one of your choice, provided it is fast and is okay. So here is Google. Here, this is Google AdSense. Let's page, like I'll have to load here. Okay, let's give it some time to load. Okay, go AdSense. Let's go AdSense. Okay, let's go by typing AdSense. Okay, here we are. We'll see this Google AdSense here. You can see it's loading. It's loading. Taking some time to load. Just a little time loading. Okay. Okay, I think we are here now. This is our Google AdSense. But let me go to the one that like the account I will be using here, because this is not the account where I want us to work on. Like, I have so many AdSense accounts, so this is the one that I want us to work on. Let's log into it. Let's change to that account so that we can see what we're for. Okay, still loading. When it finish loading, I will show you what we are here for. This is Google AdSense account. Like, this one here is used for both my website and my YouTube channel. But I'm going to show you basically how you can use it for your YouTube channel, like how to edit your details on YouTube, on your YouTube section, because AdSense has both website section and YouTube section. So let's first thing that we do is to go to, like, click on this three horizontal line here beside this home. When you click on it, it will not take you to this place where they said payments. Okay, when you click on this payment here, you click on this payment, like payments info. Are you getting me? So it will not take you to the payment info, like the place where you have to edit your payment. This one here says payment account AdSense Nigeria, but this one now is my website. We are not going to be editing this one. We will be editing my YouTube account, Google AdSense, so that I can see how I do it. So what you do is to change to this one here, YouTube. You click on your YouTube. As you can see, it's changing over to YouTube. Okay, here now what you do is just scroll down to this place where it says how you get paid. This below this how you get paid, you see add payment method. You click on add payment method and it will load. It's still loading. Just give it a little time. Okay, here we are. It says add new wire transfer details, add new check details. This new check details is if you want to be getting check. This wire transfer details is if you want it to be going straight to your bank account. You get, it depends on the one that you want to use, like the one that will be more available for you, the one that is easily convenient for you, the one that is really available for you. As for me, I will have to go for this add new wire transfer. When you tap on it, it will now bring out details, all these details. You have to add your beneficiary ID. Maybe your ID here means your Google AdSense ID. You click on it. After that, you enter your bank name, the name of your bank, the bank that you are using, the bank that will be receiving the money for you. If it's First Bank here, well, Fargo's Bank, if are different kind of banks, you put the name on the account. That's your own name. You get this one that says name on account is your own name, the name that you use in opening the account. Then it says the bank name. You can now use well, Fargo's Bank, um Citibank, First Bank, any bank at all that you want to use. Then you now go over to this swift code. Every bank has its unique swift code. All you have to do is just log into your Google, type your bank name, then swift code. It will bring out the list, like it will bring out the swift code for you to copy. Then after that, you now enter your account number. And mind you, while entering all this, make sure that the accounts are very correct. You get, make sure that they are very correct. You enter it here. After entering, you save it. So this is just how to go about editing your Google AdSense payment method. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe please. It doesn't cost much of your data. And if you are already subscribed or you have not yet subscribed, please kindly like this video, comment. All those things helps us like to motivate us to do and create more videos for you all. Peace out and see you in my next video.